discuss and demonstrate how to burp your baby. Burping your baby isn't always easy. Actually, many new parents consider it a challenge. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you are use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand. Hold your babies against your chest. Your baby rest against on your shoulder and kindly tap or rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or cross your knee. Support your baby chest and head with one hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp.